So I'm back with another video on assignment abroad times today newspaper, and I'm going to cover more than 45 plus job postings which has attractive salaries and other benefits. And first of all, I would like to congratulate total 8 candidates got selected. Those who are my regular subscriber, they got selected for UAE, Qatar and Oman, and one for Europe. So I wish you all the best for your journey. And friends, the consultant who are giving advertisement in assignment abroad times paper are all genuine consultants. They have their proper license, so you no need to worry about their genuineness. So let's start the video. This posting is for Qatar. It's a free recruitment, and this is 3 to 6 months of shutdown project. You can see the positions are 6 GR welder. Number of openings are 50, and the salary is going to be 3,000 Qatari Riyal. Structure fabricator, number of openings are 50, and salary is going to be 2,000 to 2,500 Qatari Riyal. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Contact of Mr. Ravi is mentioned in the posting, so if you have any queries you can contact him directly, and you can see the email address, so you can apply directly. Next is for Dubai, urgently required for a leading construction company, and the position is marble mason. Number of opening are 50, attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Here also the contact number of nominated person is given, and email ID is also mentioned, so you can apply immediately. Next is for Dubai, client interviews will be on 5th of October in Mumbai. This is for a steel fabrication and aluminium coil company. The positions are industrial painters, structural fitters, structural fabricators, structural welders, shearing machine operator, supervisors, fabrication workshop, instrument tube fitters and machinist. So friends, whenever you apply for any of these positions, don't forget to mention the position in the subject line of your email, and you can send all your documents along with supportive documents on the given email ID. You can see the email ID is clearly mentioned, cvpioneertravels@gmail.com. Next is for Dubai again, for a leading company. Client interview will be in Mumbai on 7th of October. The positions are elevator technician and assistant elevator technicians. Experience, the candidate must have 1 year of experience in working with Cone, Chandler and Mitsubishi in home country or Gulf countries. Added advantage for installation experience. It is going to be on employment visa, attractive salary, and there will be immediate departure. Accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. So you can see the interview venue is given, and you can send your CV on info.gulfjobs@buzzworks.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi, for a leading oil and gas company. The positions are piping QC inspectors, welding QC inspectors, E&I QC inspectors, safety supervisors and safety officers. Vacancies are in large number. Minimum 8 years of relevant experience is must, and candidate must have 1 year UAE experience in oil and gas. Fluent in English, ad hoc experience will be preferred. So these are the contact details. You can take a screenshot if needed, so that you can have it handy when you apply for the position or you want to contact them. Next is for Saudi. The requirements are in large number. Walk-in interviews will be on 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th of October, and final client interview will be at Mumbai in the next week. So the positions are rigger foreman, piping foreman, 6G arc welders, pipe fabricators, full TIG welder SS, spray painter, painting or blasting foreman, structural fitters, pipe fitters, plate fabricators, structural fabricators, structural steel erector, man lift operator, hydro-test technician, industrial painters, rigger 3, and blaster. So attractive salary, food, accommodation will be provided by company, and OT will also be applicable. So these are the contact details. You can see the WhatsApp number also, so you can ping them by and send your documents and updated CV on WhatsApp also. But safer side, send an email also, because we don't know where they will shortlist the candidate. Next is for Abu Dhabi NSH. Client interviews will be on 6th October at Anutech Mumbai. Candidates with 3 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas. Free food, accommodation, transportation, and overtime will be applicable. Salary will be 1200 to 2500. Vacancies are 50 for each position. So the positions are pipe fitter, millwright fitter, piping foreman, welding TIG arc SS, welding TIG arc CS, and welding foreman. So friends, you can see the email ID. Email is mumbai@harveststaffs.com, and mobile numbers are mentioned in the posting. Next is for NBTC Saudi. Client interviews will be on 10th October in Mumbai. It's a 9-month short-term project. Positions are welder TIG arc, welders TIG arc CS and SS, pipe fabricator, pipe fitters, and riggers. So you can see the salary is clearly mentioned for all the positions, and there are some openings for UAE as well for a long-term project. So the positions are engineer planning civil, engineer E&I, senior engineer contracts, manager projects. This position is going to be site based. QC civil inspector, QC inspector E&I. So these are the positions. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation, and OT will be provided by company, and only shortlisted candidate will be allowed to attend the final client interview. So first you need to apply immediately by sending your updated CV and supportive documents on given email ID. Once your CV gets shortlisted, they will call you for the final interview with clients. So friend, please don't skip, watch complete video. There are many attractive jobs are remain. So this is for Kuwait. Client interview will be on 10th October in Mumbai. Positions are boiler mechanical engineer, mechanical foreman, senior mechanical engineer, mechanical supervisor, project control engineer, rigging foreman, pipe fabricator, fitter, and HSA officer, steel metal fabricator, rigger, mechanical technician, generator. And there are some positions for Saudi as well. The positions are cost control engineers, estimation engineer, advanced machinist, leak sealing technician, bolt truck lead technician, auto operator, PCS technician, and QC civil inspector. So the positions for UAE as well. The positions are LDPE coordinator, cost and contract engineer, block leader, subcontract coordinator, planning leader, and so this was for UAE. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. OT will also applicable, and only shortlisted candidate will allow to attend the final interview. So these are the contact details. Next is for Saudi Aramco project. Final client interview will be on 6th October in Mumbai. Indian experience is also accepted for all these positions. So if you don't have Gulf experience, so no need to worry. You can go with Indian experience also in the similar field. They have mentioned flight will be in 10 to 15 days. Positions are 6G TIG arc welder, 6G full TIG welder, structural fabricator, rigger level 1, industrial electrician, machinist, scaffolding inspector, project superintendent, accountant with BCom, SAP, FCO certified, 6G arc welder, pipe fitter, pipe fabricator, structural fitter, rigger level 3, industrial painter, scaffolding supervisor, planning engineer, mechanical supervisor. So these are the contact details, and you can send your CV on hrglobal305@gmail.com, and the mobile number is also clearly visible. So if you have any queries on any point, you can directly call them and get that clarified. Next is for UAE, for a leading construction company. Client interview will be on 2nd, 3rd, 4th of October. The positions are furniture carpenters, furniture polishers, and furniture painters. Vacancies are in large number, so you can email your updated CV, passport copy, and certificates in one single PDF file. This is compulsory for all the positions for all the countries. It is better to keep all your documents scanned in a single PDF file and use that all the time whenever you apply for positions elsewhere. Next is for Saudi, for a restaurant, and the positions are restaurant workers. Number of openings are 100. Salary will be 1000 plus 300 Saudi Riyal for food, 9 hours duty, preferred restaurant background in QSR, overall good personality, must know to read and write English, accommodation, medical, Ikama will be provided by company, attractive salary plus incentives and other benefits, light drivers, 10 openings, holding valid Saudi license, and his duty hours would be 12 hours per day. Salary will be 1500 Saudi Riyal plus 300 for food. Interested candidate can send their CVs or visit with all their relevant documents. So you can send your CVs, or if you are from Mumbai or nearby area, you can directly visit to their office. The address is mentioned below. Next is for Saudi again, for a leading oil and gas company. Final client interview will be on 3rd and 4th of October in Gorakhpur and 5th October in Mumbai. Vacancies are in large number, shortlisting in progress. So positions are insulator, sheet metal fitter, pipe fabricator, sheet metal supervisor, safety officer, QC inspector insulation, QC supervisor, project engineer, multi-welder, CS and SS, construction helper, general helper. You can send your updated CV with relevant documents on mg24@mgiwala.com. You can see the contact numbers, and the detailed address is also clearly mentioned in the posting. So this was for Saudi Arabia. Next is for UAE, NPCC. Client interview will be in Mumbai on 4th of October. Positions, as you can see, there are most of the positions are welders position. Shortlisting in progress. Apart from welder, pipe fabricator or structural pipe fitter, these positions are also there. Salary range is given for all the positions. Age up to 45 years. Candidates with minimum 2 to 3 years of Gulf experience will be preferred. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. So if you are interested in any of this position, you can apply immediately. These are the contact details for your reference. Next is for Saudi. Walk-in interview will be on 5th of October from 10 a.m. onwards. The positions are trailer driver having Saudi license. So the walk-in is only for trailer driver, and the candidate should have Saudi license. And there are some positions for CV selection. So the positions are steel structure fabricator, aluminum fabricator, auto electrician, heavy diesel mechanic, tissue paper machine operator, and dates machine operator. So these are the contact details. Next is for Saudi. Client interview will be on 5th of October in Mumbai. For this posting also, the Indian experience will be accepted. Positions are structure fabricator, fitter or foreman, tank fabricator, 3G, 4G, MIG welder, vessel fabricator, vessel fitter, tank foreman, asset saw welder, 6G arc welder, vessel foreman, 6G MIG welder, 6G TIG arc welder, 6G full TIG welder, fabrication foreman and welding foreman. 8 hours duty, 2 hours daily OT. It is going to be a fixed OT per day 2 hours plus free food, accommodation and other benefits will be provided by company. So the email ID is same, hrglobal305@gmail.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi NSH. Candidates with 3 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas. So most of the welder, pipe fitter, millwright fitter, welding foreman, piping foreman. This is the email ID and contact details. So today there are many job openings for welders. Here again it's a full of welders. So friends, this is free recruitment for Qatar. No service charge. Client interviews will be on 15 to 25th of October in Mumbai. 3 years experience in oil and gas is required. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. The positions are TIG arc welder CS, SS, TIG welders CS and TIG welder SS, structural welder. So friends, you can see the contact details below, and this is completely free recruitment. So client interviews will be on 15th of October in Mumbai and 25th of October in Baroda. Further, you can contact on given number and clarify if you have any doubt. Next is for Saudi. Shortlisting in progress. Online interview, immediate joinees are required. Candidates should have at least 4 years of experience in related fields. Oil and gas experience is required. World experience is must. Gulf, they mean to say Gulf experience is must. The positions are document controller, material controller, planning assistant, admin assistant, QC inspector, electrical, HSC officer, Aramco certified. If you want to apply any of this position, please send your CV on kiran@asiapower.co. These are the addresses for Mumbai, Chennai and Delhi. Next is for UAE. Client interviews will be on 2nd, 3rd and 4th of October. Final interviews will be on 5th October. I think this is the similar position which we have earlier seen. Attractive salary, overtime, free food, accommodation will be provided by company. But still, if you want to review this, you can take a screenshot. Sorry. Next is for Kuwait. It's a bulk opening, mega opening for Kuwait. Long-term job, shortlisting in progress. Vacancies are in large number. Client interviews will be on 16th of October in Vadodara, 20th October in Mumbai, 27th October in Chennai and 22nd October in Kochi. So interested candidates can visit the office or they can send their application via email. Positions are facility coordinator or engineer, mechanical and E&I, electrical protection engineer, supervisor admin, supervisor mechanical, senior mechanic, static and rotating, senior mechanical technicians, e-beams, diesel mechanic, mechanic, static and rotating, mechanical fitter, lead systems analyst, B, E and I, supervisor, instrumentation and control, supervisor, instrument workshop, senior instrument technician, instrument rotating equipment technician, instrument technicians, ITI, electronic technicians workshop, fire and gas, instrument workshop technicians, instrument fitter, ITI is required, supervisor electrical, senior electrical technician. So friends, as this posting was very long, so I have divided it into two parts. So this posting is by Asia Power. You can get the contact details in previous posting, or you can check the description. So this is the another part. Electrical fitter, ITI is required, cable jointer, ITI, draftsman, electrical, instrumentation or mechanical, accountant, BCom is required, technical assistant, computer operator, auto electrician, auto mechanic, petrol and diesel, lathe machinist, lathe and milling, welder, SS, structural steel fabricator, fabricator or sheet metal worker, grid blaster, sand blaster, GRP fitter, fiberglass worker, supervisor scaffolding, scaffolder, spray painter, painter, epoxy, safety engineer, B plus Nibosh, IGC, safety officer, safety supervisor, senior mechanical technician, planning, supervisor, materials and planning, survey, insulation technicians. So friends, as you have seen the positions in this posting and the second part in the next posting. So this is for Kuwait, and you can see the interview 16, 20, 20th, 27 and 22nd. Vadodara, Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. So those who are looking for jobs in Kuwait especially can take benefit of this opportunity. For all categories, the candidates must have at least 5 to 8 years of total experience, including 3 years in Gulf in oil and gas maintenance projects. Candidates passport validity must be minimum 3 years, valid up to 4th September 2027. Candidates must be ready to travel immediately after selection. So this is the email ID, and you can apply online also. Next is for UAE for a long-term job. Departure in a week. Vacancies are in large number. Final client interviews will be on 4th October in Vadodara and 5th October in Mumbai. The positions are 6G TIG arc welders, fitters, pipe and millwright, piping foreman and welding foreman. Friends, there are some other openings also for a leading oil and gas company for UAE itself for a long-term job. Final client interviews for these positions will be on 6th October. The positions are senior project control manager, mechanical and civil, senior project document controller, senior planning engineers, senior project control engineers, senior scheduling engineers, civil superintendents, HSE engineers, quality surveyors, civil and mechanical, senior quantity surveyors, civil and mechanical, QA/QC inspectors, civil, piping, welding and painting, QC inspector, rotary and statistics. Next is planning engineers, project engineers, civil supervisors, fire watchers and HSA officers. So friends, for all the candidates, they should have 3+ years of Gulf experience in oil and gas projects. Below are the contact details. Multiple mobile numbers are given, so if you have any queries you can contact them directly. Next is for Saudi Arabia. Interviews will be in Mumbai on 6th of October. It is for L&T Neom project. The positions are electrical supervisor substation, electrical foreman, HV, LV cable laying, electrical charge hand, electrical foreman, electrical charge hand, cable tray fitter, testing assistant, should be diploma holder, industrial electrician, cable grinding and termination, electrician earthing works, electrician equipment erection, electrician cable laying, and building electrician, electromechanical fitter, and helper electricians. So, friends, the important thing is freshers also can apply for these positions. So, if you are a ITI holder or if you have even less experience, no need to worry. So, you can apply for these positions. So, this can be a good opportunity for freshers. Salary range is given for all the positions. Free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. It is long-term job, 8 hours duty plus OT. Freshers and Gulf returners, ECR, ECNR, diploma and minimum 4 to 5 years of experience candidates are required. So you can see the address for walk-in, and you can send the documents via email also. Next is for Saudi. This is also for Neom City project. Client interviews will be in Delhi on 7th and 8th October, in Kochi on 10th October, and 11th October also in Kochi at a different location. 13, 14 and 15 October will be in Mumbai. Attractive salary, vacancies are in large number. So the positions are lab technical manager, HSA officer, senior civil engineer, electrical inspector, senior lab technician, assistant lab technician, construction labor, civil engineer, concrete dam structure, civil engineer, material testing, secretary, executive, QA officer, surveyor, heavy driver with Saudi license, civil inspector, lab supervisor, lab technician, site technician, and geotechnical drillers. So friends, this is for Saudi, and you can see the positions are, you can see all category positions here. The email ID is mentioned, and you can contact on given numbers for any queries. So please keep in mind that the interviews will be at 4 different locations. Next is for Kuwait, for a leading catering company. Client interviews will be on 10th October. The positions are continental cook, South Indian cook, catering supervisor, experience in oil and gas catering campus. Number of openings, you can see the openings are in bulk for continental cook and South Indian cook, and for catering supervisor also the number of openings are 90, but the candidate should have experience in oil and gas catering camps. Training and development chef, continental and South Indian. You can see the salary is clearly mentioned in the posting. Apart from salary, accommodation, food and transportation will be provided by company. This is the email ID, and you can see below the contact details as well, mobile numbers. Next is for Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Walk-in interviews with foreign delegates on 6th of October in Mumbai. The positions are deputy manager, night shift or soft service, manager, soft service, hard service, facility engineer, supervisor, electrical, landscaping, cleaning, civil and mechanical, safety officer, technicians in kitchen, electromechanical, IT, structured cabling, electronics, CCTV access control, parking, life and safety, electrical high, medium and low voltage, RO plant, deep well, mechanical, pumps, shutter, doors and automatic barriers, firefighting, fire alarms, mason, brick, plaster and tiles, operator, life and safety, BMS, team leader, irrigation plumber, electrician, key officer, plumber, helper, wall spray painter and furniture carpenter. So all managerial and engineers equivalent profile must have degree with minimum 7 to 10 years of experience. Supervisor and officers or equivalent positions must have degree or diploma with 5 to 7 years of experience. Technicians must have diploma or ITI with minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. All candidates must have experience in operation and maintenance of facility management. Only Gulf experience will be considered. Age limit will be 24 to 40 years. These are the contact details. Next is for Middle East for oil and gas project. Client interviews will be on 4th of October. The positions are superintendent building structural, lead planning and engineers building piping structure, engineers projects contracts estimation material, electrical testing, environment, material submittal and scaffolding, storekeeper all disciplines, supervisors building structural, rigging, instrumentation, precom, scaffolding and workshop, foremen, civil, carpenter, E&I, structural, painting, piping, plumbing, welding, rigging, steel fixer, scaffolding and millwright. Scaffolder, TUV third party, heavy equipment operators, backhoe, JCB, grader, excavator, wheel loader, skid loader, man lift, side boom, pipe layer, roller. So these are the heavy equipment operators openings. Many subscribers were commenting for JCB operator job, so they can go for it. Heavy drivers and drivers, so water tanker, boom, dump, truck, trailer, ambulance, Gulf experiences, Gulf licenses must for all this position, driver position. Controllers, equipment and material, hydraulic mechanic, crane, cable terminators, instrument technicians and fitters, riggers, fitters and painters, spray painters, industrially. So minimum 5 years and above experience is required. Gulf experience will be preferred. So interviews will be on 4th October in Mumbai. If you have any queries or if you need any of these posting, if you are not able to read out, so you can join my WhatsApp group. You will find the link in my video description. You can join the group and you can message me personally for any help. So this is for Russia, for an oil and gas company. NDT technicians salary will be 800 USD. Holds a NDT qualification certificate and can operate X-ray and gamma ray testing. Must be specialized in radiographic testing. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. 2 years contract, extendable. Passport must have 3 years validity. ECR, ECNR both passports will be accepted. 6 days working, 10 hours duty. Vacation after 1 year. Processing time approx 4 months. And there are some other openings for Saudi Arabia for a food delivery company. The position is bike delivery drivers. Salary will be 1500 Saudi Riyal for 400 trips. After 400 trips, per trips 5 Saudi Riyal commission will be given. License is mandatory, Indian license, Google Map knowledge and basic English. So mode of selection will be CV selection. Accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. 2 years contract, yearly vacation, employment visa, immediate flight, age below 40 years. Some other positions for a leading pesticides company in Saudi Arabia. The positions are fire alarm technician, fire and gas technician, mechanical technicians. So ITI diploma or same field experience, must have 2 to 3 years of experience in fire and gas detection system, inspection and maintenance. Salary will be between 1800 to 2500 Saudi Riyal. Duty will be 8 hours. Free food or food money. Accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details. The WhatsApp number is also clearly mentioned. You can ping them for any query. Next is for Abu Dhabi for a large oil and gas project. Client interview will be on 2nd, 3rd and 4th October. Positions are structural fabricators and structural fitters. Excellent salary, vacancies in large numbers, immediate departure. So friends, they have not mentioned anything about the perks like benefits. So you can contact them on the given number. Email ID is also given. recruit@iosr.com. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be in Chennai on 2nd October, 4th October in Mumbai, Jamshedpur 6th October. You can see the contact numbers are given for each location. Vacancies are in large number. Positions are recreation supervisor, CPR, first aid certification mandatory, lockout, key lost and found attendants, fitness instructor, female, supervisor, reception and help desk, furniture carpenter and electrical technician. For all these positions, minimum 5 years of experience is required. Now the positions, I'm reading the positions for which minimum 3 years of experience is required. So the positions are housekeeping supervisor, QC inspectors, hotel or facility experience, fire safety system technician, hotel receptionist, front desk or customer service attendant, cleaning supervisor, help desk operator, fire alarm technician and kitchen equipment technician. Now minimum 2 years of experience. The positions are mason or tiles fitter, wall painter, plumber, lifeguards, CPR and first aid course certification is mandatory. Laundryman minimum 1 year of experience. Laundry helper minimum 6 months experience. So experience in hospitality, facility maintenance field is mandatory. Gulf experience will be preferred. Contract period will be of 2 years. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Uzbekistan. Client interview will be on 4th of October in Mumbai. Positions are civil site in charge, civil supervisor, civil foreman, steel fixer, shuttering carpenter, concrete worker, able to operate vibrator machine and civil helper. So friends, you can see the salary is mentioned in US dollar. Free food, accommodation will be provided by company. 8 hours duty, it's a long term job. India or Gulf oil and gas experience will be accepted. Age limit 23 to 45 years. So this posting is for Uzbekistan. Interview will be on 4th October in Mumbai. Next is for Saudi. Shortlisting in progress. Gulf experience is required. Positions are generator mechanic, electrician, AC technician, plumber, diesel car mechanic, heavy truck driver and auto electrician. There are some other positions for Saudi again. Gulf experience required. Aramco experience will be preferred. Candidate must be suitably qualified with 5 to 10 years of Gulf experience in refinery, oil and gas and petrochemical. So the positions are iron worker, mechanical foreman, mechanical supervisor, painting and insulation supervisor, pipe fitter, piping foreman, piping supervisor, plate welder 3G, rigger, rigger one third party, QC inspector, steel structural foreman, steel structural supervisor, structure supervisor, support foreman, 6G TIIG welder, work permit receiver, should be Aramco approved. So this posting is by Asia Power. You will see the another part of this posting in next slide. This is for Saudi for L&T Neom City project. Client interview will be on 7th of October in Mumbai. So the positions are HV cable laying, cable tray fitter, testing assistant, 33 kV cable jointer, helper, foreman, charge hand, electricians, control cable termination, LSP and power cable termination, electromechanical fitter, substation supervisor, cable laying helper. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. These are the contact details. So the CV you need to send on cv.flywellmanpower@gmail.com. Next is a free recruitment for Saudi for a long-term project. Client interview will be on 6th of October in Mumbai. TIG and arc welders 6G, number of openings are 100. Saudi Riyal 2000 to 3000 will be the salary for 8 hours. Multi CSSS, pipe fabricator 50 number of openings. Salary will be 1800 to 2400 for 8 hours. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. These are the contact details. And there are some other positions as well for which the client interview will be on 7th October. The positions are testing and commissioning technicians, industrial electricians, safety officer or inspectors, 33 kV MV cable jointers. All candidates should have 3 to 5 years of experience. These are the contact details. Next is for Dubai for aluminium industry. Client interviews will be on 3rd October in Mumbai. The positions are aluminium draftsman or designer, estimation engineer, aluminium fitter and aluminium fabricator. Experience in fabrication and installation of aluminium elements like curtain walls, doors, windows and food, accommodation and OT will be applicable, like will be provided by company. Vacancies are in large number. You can send your CVs on jobs@abm/international.co.in. Next is for Saudi. CV shortlisting in progress, client interview shortly. So friends, as you can see, these all are welding positions except pipe fabricator and structure fabricator. So those who are looking for a welder's job, today they have so many opportunities. So please don't miss the opportunities. Apply immediately wherever you found yourself suitable. Free food, accommodation and OT will be provided by company. Below is the email ID and contact numbers. Next is for Qatar. Client interviews will be on 4th October in Mumbai. The positions are civil inspector, civil foreman, carpenter foreman, steel fixer foreman, Oil and gas experience is must, and basic English is also required. You can see the salary, like basic salary plus OT amount is also mentioned in the posting, so you can calculate accordingly before you apply. Free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. 8 hours duty plus OT. Contracts will be of 2 years. Age limit 25 to 40 years. And the email ID for this posting is cv.flysky@yahoo.com. Next is for UAE, for a electromechanical company. Walk-in for interview on 2nd and 3rd of October. Final client interviews will be on 4th, 5th and 6th of October in Mumbai. So the positions are AC technicians, pipe fitters, ductman, assistant ductman, insulators, assistant pipe fitters, structural welders, assistant AC technicians, electrical storekeeper, electrical charge hand, both should have Gulf experience. Plumbers, assistant plumbers, building electricians, assistant building electricians, plumber helper, AC helper, welder helper, ductman helper, electrical helper, pipe fitter helper, assistant structural welders, and insulator helpers. So you can see there are many openings for the helpers also. Indian experienced candidates can apply. So Gulf experience is not mandatory except these two positions, electrical storekeeper and electrical charge hand. For all other positions, you can apply with your Indian experience. Attractive salary, food allowance, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. OT will also applicable, like provided by company. So these are the contact detail, WhatsApp number and email ID. So you can send your CV on hr15@asmax.net. Next is for Saudi, for a big leading company. Client interview in Mumbai on 3rd, 4th and 5th of October. The positions are welding QC inspector and 6G arc welder. So for these two positions, there will be a client interview on 3rd, 4th and 5th, and there are some positions for which the interview will be online. So that positions are electromechanical engineer, diploma or degree is required, industrial electrician, ITI or diploma, interior designer, degree is required, trailer driver, Saudi license holder, age limit between 30 to 40 years. Salary will be 1700 Saudi Riyal plus tip. You can email your documents immediately with your updated CV. This is the mobile number. Next is for Bahrain. It's a free recruitment, shortlisting in progress. Final client interview will be on 5th and 6th of October. The positions are HVAC technicians, telecom technicians and civil AutoCAD draftsman. So for HVAC technicians, ITI in refrigeration AC with minimum 5 to 7 years of experience in operations and maintenance of ductable split units, package units and chillers. These are the contact details. Next is for Kuwait, decoration and advertising company. Client interviews will be on 6th October in Mumbai. The positions are welder, spray painter, workshop manager, heavy driver, Kuwait or any Gulf license, female T-boy. How we can say boy then if it's female? So female for tea making. Light driver, security guard, larger painting operator, female cleaner, laser machine operator, female barista, graphic designer, 3D designer, accountant, photographer, secretary, florist, marketing and digital creator. Vacancies are in large number. Attractive salary, food allowance, accommodation and other benefits. Minimum 2 to 3 years of experience is required. Below are the contact details. This is also free recruitment for a 3-month shutdown turnaround project for Oman. So those who are looking for a short-term project or jobs can refer to this posting. Shortlisting in progress. Gulf experience is required. Client interviews will be on 3rd October in Mumbai and 5th October in Kochi. Shutdown maintenance experience is mandatory. The positions are permit holder PTW, flange integrity inspector, rescue team HSE, rotating equipment QC, TA coordinator, document controller, fire watcher, storekeeper, store assistant, foreman, general fitter, millwright technician, and lab assistant. So candidate must be suitably qualified with 5 to 10 years of experience in refinery, oil and gas, and petrochemicals. So this posting is by Asia Power. You will get contact details like mobile number in the previous posting. This is for Dubai. Client interviews will be on 7th October in Mumbai. All candidates will be shortlisted at the interview location only. So the positions are BMS operator, electronic technician, mechanical technician, MEP supervisor, MEP technicians, multi-skill technicians, MEP. Food allowance is included in the salary. So you can see the salary range is given for all the positions. Age limit is below 42 years. Free accommodation and transportation will be provided by company, and OT will also applicable. So minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in facility maintenance is required. ITI diploma needed for all categories. So the email ID for this posting is cansanmum@gmail.com. Next is for Congo, Africa, for a leading construction company. The positions are civil engineer, BE candidates only, steel fitter, foreman, civil supervisor, shuttering carpenter, foreman, carpenter, mason or steel fixer. Attractive salaries, 8 hours duty, food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Salary depends on the experience. Age limit below 40 years. Must have 5 years experience, BE or diploma. So walk-in interviews on 7th October. You can send your CV on the given email ID, and the mobile numbers are also mentioned for any queries or concerns. Next is for Saudi, for Aramco project. Client interviews will be in Chandigarh on 7th October, in Delhi on 9th October, and Cochin on 11th October. Drivers with Aramco experience, Saudi license preferred. Operators with Gulf experience and Gulf license, Gulf card are also accepted. So the positions are flatbed trailer driver, water tanker trailer driver, bus driver, crane operator, wheel loader operator, boom truck operator 15 tons, JCB operator, boom operator, scaffolding supervisor, truck driver, bus driver, light driver, excavator operator, bobcat operator, safety officer, rigger 2, lubeman and logistics supervisor. So these are the contact details like email ID and mobile number. So friends, please keep in mind that interviews will be in Chandigarh, Delhi and Cochin on given dates. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 8 October in Mumbai. Positions are 6G welder SS, arc welder CS and pipe or steel fabricator. Vacancies are in large number. Age 24 to 40, contracts 2-year renewal. duty 10 hours including break, and 6 days a week. Accommodation, medical and transportation will be provided by company. These are the contact details. So friends, this was the last posting of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So friends, if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Many current existing subscribers also not turn on their notifications. So please turn on your notifications so that whenever I will post new video, you will get the notification automatically. So thank you for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with new video on complete free recruitments, like 100% free recruitments for the Gulf countries. Thank you so much.